If you don't like getting stuck but still love learning tech, then you need ittutorialstipspro. Welcome to IT Tutorials Tips Pro, your one-stop hub for mastering IT skills, simplifying tech, and staying ahead in the digital world. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, we've got you covered. Dive into our step-by-step tutorials designed to make complex concepts easy to understand. Learn directly from industry experts who share their pro tips and tricks. But that's not all. Our hands-on projects help you build a strong portfolio that'll impress any employer. Got questions? Our 24/7 support is here to help you with all your tech queries. So, what are you waiting for? Start learning now and transform your tech journey today. Join our community and never stop growing. Subscribe, explore courses, and let's unlock your tech potential together. Visit and get started now.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm breaking down how to create an engaging brand intro in just 5 easy steps. Whether you're launching a new website, video series, or online course, this guide is for you. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Opening hook. Start strong with a bold statement to grab attention. Something like, "Welcome to IT Tutorials Tips Pro." Adding symbols or emojis can make it pop visually. Step 2. Your value proposition. This is where you explain what your platform does and why it's essential. Keep it short and powerful, like your one-stop hub for mastering IT skills, simplifying tech, and staying ahead in the digital world. Notice the use of strong action verbs to inject energy. Step 3. Key features. Highlight what makes you unique. Use bullet points for easy reading. For example, step-by-step tutorials for beginners and pros. Pro tips from industry experts. Hands-on projects to boost your portfolio. 24/7 support for all your tech queries. Step 4. Call to action. Tell your audience exactly what to do next. Make it actionable and exciting. Something like, "Start learning now, explore courses." Emojis can add urgency and fun. Step 5. Closing tagline. Finish with a memorable phrase. For instance, "Transform your tech journey today." This reinforces your mission and leaves a lasting impression. So there you have it. Put these 5 steps together and you'll have an engaging brand intro that captivates your audience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.